Hey kids! Are you ready for a fun emoji game? Let's see how many words you can guess. We'll show you some emojis that represent a word, and your job is to guess it before time runs out. Can you get them all right? Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Challenge your friends. Who can get the highest score? Can you figure out this word? Strong start. Keyhole. Guess the word from these emojis. Eiffel Tower. Which city is the host of the 2024 Summer Olympics? The host of the 2024 Summer Olympics was Paris, France. Do you know the answer? Prove it down below in the comments. What's the word that these emojis suggest? Blueberry. Can you identify the emoji that's out of place? You identified the emoji that's out of place. What word do you infer from these emojis? NASA. Remember the position of all the emojis. Where is the rocket located? The rocket is located in position number 5. Choose your gift. First gift. Write down your birthday. We'll honor you in our next video. Second gift. Write down the name of the city that you live in. In the next video, we'll honor you and help you to find people who live in the same city as you. Can you tell Coco about this word? Seahorse. Can you work this one out? Moonlight. Only geniuses can get this one right. Are you one of them? Guess the upside down word. Comment down below. What word do you see in these emojis? It's mailbox. Come on, this one's too easy. Can you guess the word based on these emojis? Type your answer now. Does a word come to mind from these emojis? Ice lollipop. Would you rather an ice lolly or ice cream? Like this video if you choose ice lolly. Subscribe to the channel if you like ice cream. Which emoji stands out from the group? The unique emoji is placed in the third row. Think carefully. What word matches these emojis? Treehouse. Can you put a finger on this word? Snowman. What word fits these emojis? Swordfish. Can you guess the word from these emojis? It's toothbrush. Take a guess. What word is shown here? Sunglasses. This one's pretty easy. It's starfish. Which word do these emojis make you think of? Seashell. How about this word? Doorbell. Which word could this be? It's a cookbook. Can you detect the odd emoji out of these? The odd emoji is in the fourth row. Take a closer look. What word could these emojis mean? Fishbowl. Think back to the emoji order. Where was the flower located? Yes! The flower appeared in position 1. Let's see if you can guess this emoji word. Football. Tell Coco your answer. It's cupcake. What piece fits perfectly to finish the puzzle? Awesome! This puzzle piece is the missing part. What word do you think these emojis represent? Earring. Next word. Handbag. Can you find the hidden word in these emojis? Toilet paper. What about this? It's lovesick. Can you spot the odd one out? The odd emoji is placed in the third row. Can you crack the emoji code for this word? Book bag. Which word comes to mind? Fairy tale. Can you remember this word? Zombie. Think you know the word behind these emojis? Ferrari. Can you identify the logo that's hiding behind this pattern? It's Mercedes. What words do these emojis reveal? Mango. What word do you think of? Onion ring. Look closely. Which word fits these emojis? Jellyfish. Guess the word from these emojis. Candy. Which emoji is the unique one in this grid? That emoji is the unique one in this grid. What word do you see in these emojis? Fire truck. Memorize the emoji positions. Do you remember where the shortcake is? The shortcake was in the 4th position. Can you tell what word these emojis are hinting at? It's bedtime. What's the word that matches these emojis? Fruit punch. Can you spot 3 differences between these 2 pictures? Great job! You found all 3 differences. Can you guess the words hidden in these emojis? It's iPhone. Which word is depicted here? Eggplant. What's the answer to this emoji word puzzle? Iced tea. What's your guess for this emoji puzzle? It's kiwi. Which emoji simply does not belong? That emoji doesn't belong in column 3. Can you identify this word from the emoji clues? High five! Guess the word from these emojis. Starship. What word could these emojis spell out? It's camping. Which word is this? It's a hot air balloon. Thank you for participating in the puzzle challenge on the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. You can click on the video currently displayed on the right or the left side of the screen. Join additional new challenges and become the winner. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun.